Open Microsoft Visual Studio with suitable version, click on Create New Project. Search for the project you need to create, Blazor web app, and select the project. Name the project. Remember, in name there should be no spaces as NAM spaces doesn't allow spaces or null. Use the location where you want to store the project, refer to place the project and solution in same directory. Use the version support latest you have available, use server mode to render and click on Create to create the project. Your project is created. Check all the pre-built folders and files, and always run the project before any implementations.